4 amazing natural home remedies with melon. Melon is a refreshing, cleansing fruit that's low in calories. It is an ideal food to eat between meals and helps prevent the urge to snack on sweets. In addition, thanks to its vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and fiber, you can use it to prepare various medicinal home remedies. In this article, find out how to prepare remedies that combat fluid retention, constipation, heartburn and premature aging. Basically, this delicious fruit provides many ways to improve your health in a natural way. Home remedies with melon. Next, we'll show you 4 natural home remedies that can be used to improve several disorders using various medicinal ingredients. 1 common diuretic remedy with melon and celery. Melon is high in diuretic properties, since it's composed of 90% water and contains a good amount of potassium. Undoubtedly, these qualities make this fruit a highly recommended food to combat swelling, edema and fluid retention. Plus, if you mix it with celery, its antioxidant effects increase. Ingredients: 2 slices of melon, 1 stick of fresh celery. Preparation. First, mix all the ingredients for a very refreshing smoothie. If you don't like the celery fibers, you can strain the mixture. Finally, you should drink it when it's cold throughout the morning apart from your meals. 2. A laxative remedy with melon, plums and chia. To prevent and fight constipation, you must consume foods that are rich in fiber. In this case, the melon acts as a mild laxative thanks to its fiber and cellulose content. However, you can enhance its medicinal effects if you mix it with 2 other foods that are rich in fiber: plums, fresh or dried, and chia seeds. By doing this and eating a healthy, fiber-filled diet, we will not have to resort to chemical laxatives. Ingredients: 2 slices of melon, 2 fresh plums or 3 dried plums, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 15 grams, 1/2 glass of water, 100 milliliters. Preparation. The night before you want to make the drink, put the chia seeds in the plums, if they are dried, to soak in 1/2 glass of water. First thing in the morning, mix the water, which will be gelatinous, with the seeds, the plums, without seeds, and the melon. Drink this smoothie on an empty stomach half an hour before breakfast. 3. An antacid remedy with melon, ginger, cayenne and stevia. Do you suffer from gastric hyperacidity? This annoying disorder affects many people and prevents them from enjoying food. Any excess, unhealthy food or combination causes acidity, which is difficult to alleviate naturally. However, you can perform an effective 15-day cleanse based on this alkalizing remedy. Alkaline foods naturally fight excess acidity in the body. Unlike stomach acids, foods don't alter the natural acidity of the body or affect health of your stomach in the long run. Melon, ginger, cayenne pepper and stevia are all medicinal ingredients that help alkalize your body. Ingredients: 2 slices of melon, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger powder, 2 grams, 1 pinch of cayenne pepper, according to your spice tolerance, pure unrefined stevia, as a natural and alkaline sweetener, to taste. Preparation: mix the melon together with the ginger, cayenne and stevia. Divide the amount so that you have 2 portions, one mid-morning and one mid-afternoon, and always drink between meals. Pour antioxidant remedy using melon, green tea and lemon. Melon is high in antioxidants thanks to its content of vitamins A, C and E. In this case, this virtue helps us to prevent the damage caused by free radicals, which is the main cause of aging. Also, combining it with green tea and lemon creates an ideal remedy to combat the elements that cause oxidation in the body. Ingredients: 2 slices of melon, 1 green tea bag, the juice of 1/2 a lemon, 1/2 glass of water, 100 milliliters. Preparation: first, steep the green tea bag in 1/2 glass of water and let it cool. Mix the melon together with the green tea infusion and the juice of 1/2 a lemon. You can sweeten your drink with honey. Also, you can even apply a small amount of this smoothie on your face as a rejuvenating mask. As you've seen, melon is essential for a balanced and healthy diet since it provides many health benefits. Take advantage of it.